Hello everyone, today we learn about cross multiplication method. Let the pair of linear equation in two variable x and y be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is first equation and second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For solving this pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method, first we write like this: x upon y upon equal to 1 upon. We write in denominator of x, we cover x term and we write v1 v2 v1 v2 and also we write c1 c2 in denominator of x, c1 c2. In denominator of y, we cover y term and we write c1 c2 and a1 a2. For writing in denominator of 1, we cover constant term and write coefficient of x and y like this: a1 a2 b1 b2. In next step, we multiply in direction of arrow. Now we write x upon, we multiply b1 c2, we get v1 c2 and minus second arrow b2 c1 b2 c1 equal to y upon multiply c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 a2 v1. Clearly we saw that x upon this term is equal to y upon this term is equal to 1 upon this term. Now we compare x upon this term for finding the value of x. Now we write x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we find the value of x, we transfer the denominator of x in RHS and we get b1 c2 minus v2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, for finding the value of y, we compare last two terms. Now we write y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 v1. For finding the value of y, we transfer the denominator of y in RHS and we get y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 v1. This is the value of y and this is the value of x. Now, for understanding this method, we take an example. Example is x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. This is first equation. And second equation, 4x minus 5y plus 14 equal to 0. First, we write like this: x upon equal to y upon equal to 1 upon. For writing in denominator of x, we cover term x and we get, first we write coefficient of y and then coefficient of y in equation second, and we write constant term like this. Coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of y in equation second is minus 5, and constant terms are minus 10 and 14. For writing in denominator of y, we cover by term, and first we write constant term and then coefficient of x. Constant terms are minus 10, 14, 1 and 4. For writing in denominator of 1, we cover constant term and write coefficient of x and then write coefficient of y. Coefficient of x are 1 and 4. Coefficient of y are 1 and minus 5. Or we can say that for writing these steps, first we cover x term and write coefficient of y, that is 1 and minus 5 and minus 10 and 14. Again we start from minus 10 upon 10 and 14 and we write coefficient of x 1 and 4, and after that we start 1 and 4, we write like this. In next step, by cross multiplying x upon, first we multiply these two numbers, 1 multiply 14 minus 5 multiply minus 10, minus 5 multiply minus 10 equal to y upon minus 10 multiply 4 minus 14 multiply 1 equal to 1 upon 1 multiply minus 5 minus 4 multiply 1 x upon 4 multiply 1 14 minus minus 5 multiply minus 10, we get 50. Y upon minus 10 multiply 4 minus 40 minus 14 multiply 1 14 equal to 1 upon 1 multiply minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 multiply 1 4. Now we get 14 minus 50 minus 36 equal to y upon minus 40 and minus 14 become minus 54 equal to 1 upon minus 5 minus 4 become minus 9. For finding the value of x, we compare first and last term, and for finding the value of y, we compare second and last term. Now we find value of x. We compare first and last term, that is x upon minus 36 equal to 1 upon minus 9. For finding the value of x, we transfer denominator of x in RHS and we get minus 36 upon minus 9. Minus cancel by minus and 36 cancel by 9 at 4 times and 9 cancel by 9 1 times, and we get x equal to 4 upon 1, or we can say 4. The value of x is equal to 4. For finding the value of y, we compare second and last term, that is y upon minus 54 equal to 1 upon minus 9, and we get y equal to, by transferring the denominator of y in RHS, we get minus 54 upon minus 9. Minus cancel minus, 9 cancel 9 time 9 1 times and 54 6 times, and we get y equal to 6 upon 1, or we can say y equal to 6. This is the value of y. Therefore, the solution of linear equation is x equal to 4 and y equal to 6.